Once upon a time, many years ago, before social media existed and Facebook and internet access was so easily accessible, I had three grays. Their names was Chuckles, Einstein, and Buddy. I was addicted. They stole my heart. I would do anything for them. But also there's this new product that came out on the market, and it's called Teflon. And being a busy mom, raising kids, doing all the things that I did back then, anything to make life easier. So I got my first Teflon set. Well, one by one, I lost all three of my African grays. They died in my arms. They all died from respiratory diseases. Years later, the revolution came with Facebook, and the internet was accessible to pretty much just about everybody that wanted to access it. I find out that Teflon will kill your grays. They damage their lungs. Now, my grays didn't all die all of a sudden at once, all three together. It was a gradual process. I am convinced that it was because of that. For years, I would not get another African gray because I was worried that they might get sick on me, and I thought, well, maybe my house just drafty or whatever. And then when I found out about the Teflon, I'm pretty sure that's what killed them. Why am I telling you this? Because I don't want you to lose your birds. It's not just African grays, it's any parrot. They have very sensitive lungs. If you use any type of non-stick surface for anything, even a air fryer, it can kill them if it reaches a certain temperature. I personally use stainless steel and cast iron. More stainless steel is what I favor. I do not use any smell good things like diffusers or candles or air fresheners, anything like that, because they all affect the lungs of the birds and can kill them. So I hope this serves as a warning to anybody that owns a bird. Please, if you're using any non-stick cookware, throw it out. Get something that is bird safe. Any remarks from you guys? Yogi Bear? Cujo? Petra? Oh, Petra's giving me a stink eye. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. If this keeps one bird from dying from being exposed to them things, then I feel like I've done my job today.